Hey everyone, ready to give your wardrobe a fresh new look without spending a dime? Stick around because today I'm going to show you 5 creative DIY hacks to upcycle your old clothes. Let's dive right in. Hack number 1, turn an old t-shirt into a trendy crop top. Grab that oversized tee you never wear and lay it flat. Measure how short you want your crop top to be, mark it, and simply cut along the line. No sewing required. You've got yourself a brand new crop top, perfect for any casual occasion. Next up, hack number 2. Transform your jeans into fashionable shorts. Find an old pair of jeans and mark where you want the shorts to end. Cut off the excess, and if you're feeling extra crafty, you can add some distressing or even sew on some cute patches. Summer ready in no time. Hack number 3. Turn a plain hoodie into a custom piece of art. Use fabric paint and stencils to create unique designs. Lay out your hoodie, decide on a pattern, and start painting. Let it dry, and voila! You've got a one-of-a-kind hoodie that stands out from the rest. For hack number 4, make a stylish tote bag out of an old sweater. Cut off the sleeves and sew the bottom shut. Add some sturdy handles and you've got a cozy, eco-friendly tote bag. Perfect for groceries, books, or even a day at the beach. Last but not least, hack number 5. Revamp your plain sneakers with fabric markers. Choose your favorite colors and patterns, and go wild on those old kicks. You can create anything from geometric designs to floral patterns. It's all up to you. So there you have it. 5 super simple DIY hacks to upcycle your wardrobe and make it uniquely yours. Give them a try and let your creativity shine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips and tricks. Until next time, happy crafting.